So this is the new apartment. I'm gonna take that trash out later. Started unpacking a whole bunch of clothes. That's my portion of the clothes. Nova's and some of the stuff that we gotta hang. Sorted socks, scarves that we're gonna have to hang too. I can't find the pairs, so I don't know. Little end table. These are gifts I have to wrap up for the kids. And mine. Nintendo Switch. Little PlayStation 4 in the corner. This is me and Nova's room. Gotta start washing these clothes over here. This section is gonna be mine. Start putting a desk on here with my lamp that my mom gave me. Thank you so much, Ma. And probably put some stickers, things that aren't gonna stick onto the paint because we're not gonna stay here long enough. Probably a year. Little cabinet. Start hanging some of the clothes for Nova. Oh Lord Jesus. And I don't know what this is gonna be. I guess it's just gonna be a kind of like a end table of some sort. That's where I'm gonna put my laptop at, my bag. Yeah, there's the living room. That's the front door. It's the bathroom. Nova already got some of the stuff already set up. So, looks a little bit more homey. She's got to assort some of that stuff. I think that some of it goes in the bathroom and in the bedroom. This is a small kitchen. This is where me, Nova, and the kids can eat. You know, regular furnished stuff, the refrigerator, stove. Nova wanted that back. I want my cast iron skillet. This is the pantry. Oh, the ramp that my dad gave me. Thanks, Day. It's for the car, changing the oil and stuff, even though the Subaru got wrecked. Not a lot in the fridge, but we're building. I start putting pictures up of the kids, me and Nova, and the rest of the family. Bacon is essential. So is Hot Pockets and Egg Ups. Yeah, we don't really have much. It's empty over there. Cereal, chip, popcorn, kettle. Nothing in there. But that's pretty much our place. There's so much to add into this living room, but we're getting there.